Alright, well, it's Sunday. What is it, June the 7th? So I don't remember last time I put out a video on the channel, but this is what I ended up with on my tower. So I have a CB antenna up at the top. That's the V5000 from Mako. Then down below where you see that little dipole horizontal, that's the balcony antenna by Mako with I also have a 5000 watt gamma on that. Don't really need it, but since I ordered it with it, it was just simple enough to use it. I think it comes with a 1200 or something standard. If we look back up towards the top of the tower, we have the 13B2 off to the left and then the 2M9X off to the right. Those are for 2 meter. So I find that with the vertical, the 13B2, I can make it into quite a distance on repeaters and stuff. With the 2M9X, I use that for, well, I thought I would use it for sideband, but it seems like everybody's moved from using sideband to digital mode, so I'm pretty much using it for digital modes. And I've gotten as far as like Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, I think a couple times to New York. You know, it's a little more regional. I don't get the far East Coast, I don't get the Midwest really. I'm up at a good height. I just think a lot of guys are running linear amplifiers and they're running like tower mounted preamps and all this extra stuff. So I think digital modes are supposed to be more for weak signal, like 100 watts or less, but I think a lot of guys are just running everything under the sun to get as far as they can, which is fine, but I'm not at liberty to spend thousands of dollars for a 2 meter amplifier at this time in my life. It's just too expensive. So I use the IC9700 or whatever I can get with that is what I get. And obviously a longer boom Yagi would probably be better, but I mean, the gain on that is pretty good, being that it's up about 68 feet or so to the feed point. I would think that gain above ground is quite good. I don't have trees above me at all. I'm in free space, so when I spin that thing around, it's gonna talk, you know. But that's about it. I got my antenna's end-fed half wave that you can see probably. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's coming off the tower, lands in the woods behind my house. I've worked the world on that on FT8, FT4. I got about every award on the QRZ system that's possible so far, except the Oceania and the Asia. So I'm working towards those, but that's hard to get based on my location. And that's really it. I'm really happy with the Mako V5000 up there. It works great for CB, and the balcony antenna works great for a little bit of skip and stuff at times, but most of the time I use the vertical. And we don't have a lot else going on. It's just a nice day. We're out here cutting the grass, and that's about it. So 73. We'll catch everybody later.